Hi, I'm Adam,
I'm Ashley.
and we're the family behind the family business that is KBF Design Gallery.
We understand remodeling can be a stressful and overwhelming process.
Our goal is to make it easy for you. We find that most homeowners, when considering a remodel, are faced with similar challenges.
First, it's often hard for you to see your space and its untapped potential for what it can be when you're used to seeing it as it is day in and day out.
With our team's combined experience and education, we're able to reimagine any room in your home, maximizing the floor plan's flow and functionality.
But the challenges don't stop at reimagining your space. There are such a variety of products that go into a remodel, and the research that it takes to know what materials should be used where and what colors go well together can be overwhelming.
At KBF, we have a team of interior designers that specializes in product selection, and they design your space for you and with you.
This ensures that you're maximizing your investment in your home, both functionally and aesthetically.
KBF is also a licensed general contractor with a team of highly skilled specialty tradesmen, including plumbers,
Electricians,
tile setters,
carpenters,
painters, and
everything beyond and in between.
they're all licensed in their specific trades, carry million-dollar insurance policies, and have passed the background check. The majority of them have been with us for years, and I've worked alongside them personally.
So we know who we're sending into your home in addition to their skill set.
KBF is what's known as a design-to-build firm that handles everything for our clients from conception to completion.
We have a state-of-the-art 4,400 square foot showroom in downtown Maitland that includes a fully functional live kitchen.
It's a great place to get a head start if you're toying with the idea of a remodel or just browsing the market to see what's out there.
You can also take a virtual tour of our showroom on our website.
We offer complimentary consultations, so if you're ready to go, give us a call.